For most people, Kajabi is overkill. $143 a month for the cheapest plan, and most creators use about 10% of it. We built something simpler, and it's called MiloTree, $19 a month, similar features, and I'll show you. So Kajabi takes weeks to set up. MiloTree, this afternoon you could set it up. If you've been paying for Kajabi and wondering if there's a simpler option or avoiding it because of the price, this video is for you. I'm Jillian Leslie. My husband and I built MiloTree, so yes, I'm biased. But let me be upfront. Kajabi is powerful. If you're running a massive course business with a team managing your tech, it might be the right fit. But for most creators, way too complicated and way too expensive for what you actually need. Now here's who Kajabi's built for. Big course creators with complex funnels, people who need full website, blog, and community, businesses with a team managing the tech. Now here's who Kajabi is not built for. Solo entrepreneurs who want to move fast, coaches selling one-on-one sessions, anyone selling simple digital products like templates, workshops, memberships, people who want to test ideas without spending $143 a month to find out if they work. Here's the real difference between our platforms, and it's not just features. Kajabi is built around the tech. You spend weeks building websites, configuring pipelines, perfecting everything before you ever sell anything. The tech becomes your whole business. MiloTree is built around you, the creator. The tech works hard behind the scenes so you can focus on what really matters. Creating products, testing ideas, finding what sells. It's light, it's flexible, it's fast. And honestly, big courses are outdated anyway today. People don't want 47 videos. They want transformation, small products, quick wins, you, a human as the guide. That's what sells now, and that's what MiloTree is built for. So what do you actually need to sell a digital product? It's pretty simple. 1, a way to upload your product if it's a digital download. 2, a sales page written with AI in seconds. 3, a way to collect payment. 4, automatic delivery to your customer. And 5, simple funnel builders, order bumps, upsells, tripwires, coupons that you can set up with the click of a button. That's it. That's the whole business. You don't need a full website builder. You don't need complex automations. You need a simple way. Get your product out, test it fast, and get paid. That's exactly what MiloTree does. So let me show you what this really looks like. Here I am at MiloTree.com. I log into my account. I choose what kind of product I want to create. So let's say digital download. I give it a name, price, description. Since this is a digital download, I upload my file right here. Now with one click, MiloTree's AI writes my sales page. Now I can tweak the text, swap in images, but the heavy lifting, it's already done. And now I have a link to my sales page. It's like a mini website for your product. And I share this link everywhere. Pinterest, emails, Facebook groups. I DM it to people. Wherever my people are, I'm sharing that link. When someone buys, MiloTree handles the payment and delivers the product automatically. You can add an order bump at checkout to offer, say, a small complimentary product. Or you can add a bigger upsell on the thank you page. So they just bought your $27 guide and now they see your $97 workshop. This is how you build quick funnels. So that $27 customer becomes a $150 customer and it's all built in. If you want to build your email list, guess what? You can easily offer a freebie with MiloTree. When someone signs up, you can even offer a tripwire product on the thank you page. Your freebie to paid customer happens in one click. And if you're a coach, great, create a coaching product, connect your Calendly calendar. And when someone buys, they book their call right on the thank you page. Let me be fair. Here's what Kajabi does that MiloTree doesn't. Full website builder, complex course hosting with modules and quizzes, a built-in community feature. Now, if you need all that, Kajabi makes perfect sense. But here's what MiloTree does. It's $19 for unlimited products and unlimited freebies versus Kajabi starting at $143 for 5 products. You get AI sales pages with MiloTree. Kajabi doesn't have this. You could set up your first product on MiloTree in about 15 minutes versus hours or days with Kajabi. And you own your membership subscribers. Even if you leave MiloTree, you can take them with you. Kajabi won't let you take yours if you set up your membership on the platform. So we want you to stay because MiloTree works, not because you can't leave. And MiloTree, by the way, doesn't do everything, but it does what most creators actually need. You can sell your stuff, collect payments, test your ideas fast, book your calls, and grow your email list. It's simple, reliable, and affordable. So it's $19 a month, unlimited products, unlimited freebies. You could set this up this afternoon. So the link is in the description. Start for free to test and then upgrade to our paid plan. And if you want to see how I'd set up a complete product stack from freebie to tripwire to upsell, watch this video next.